Hey everyone, welcome back to the stream. Today we're going to be building in Reaktor. Again, we're going to be building on the thing we did last stream. So, as you may recall, last stream we worked on this track. And today I'm going to be building a bass growl for it. Or not a bass growl, sorry, a dirtier bass. So we do have a sound here that's similar to a bass right here. But today I'm going to be building on that, and I'm going to build out a dirty bass sound. So if you're into creating Reaktor sounds that are gritty and bassy, welcome back to the stream. This is the stream for you, and we're going to dive right in. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up a version of Reaktor, or we're going to build on what we had previously. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to duplicate this. And let's just make sure our components are intact. I'm going to edit this for a bass sound. So I'm going to take the same patch we used last time. I'm going to edit it. We already have a clock. We already have a oscillator, a filter, and a VCA on this, which is filter, VCA, oscillators. I'm going to turn this into an 8-step. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to add an 8-step sequencer so I can sequence this. So it's going to look like that. And there we go. Going to connect my pitch inputs to all of my oscillators. And that looks good. They're going to run through my 8-step. And then I'm going to connect my gate connections. Okay. So let's see what we have. So I just need to enable this track. On solo. And let's check it out. We're going to check our sound settings and should be able to go from there. Let me just make sure sound is coming through. Yes, it is. Just make sure it's coming in. Yep. Okay. So this one should work. Volume is up. There we go. Okay, we need to hit some 8 steps, or some steps. And we need to activate our external clock. That's going to be our I'm going to hit solo on this track. You can isolate it. So we're combining some MIDI with actual live notes in this case. So I'm gonna use some notes that I know will work. Okay, so we changed our pattern slightly. We have some live notes playing in from Reaktor. We have some live notes playing in here from Reaktor when you listen to this 8-step sequencer. And we have some notes that are playing, which are MIDI notes. So I'm going to mute out the MIDI notes for a second so you can hear the 8-step sequencer. Should be working. Syncopated, sounding the way we want it to. Let's add in those MIDI notes. Add a little chaos to our sound. Section so you can hear what it sounds like. I'm gonna color this one differently. to our original sound. Okay, so I'm going to actually manipulate the sound a little bit more. So we're going to make this into a little more dirty sound. Add a little saturation. There we go, we got our dirtier bass line, as you can hear by itself. Okay, so whether you're building out pretty much a dirty bass line for something cinematic, or you're building out something from scratch, this is great for techno, bass music, or scoring something cinematic like a chase or anything else. So hope you learned something today from this Reaktor session, sound design session. And we built that dirty bass line to complement our track that we built in another session. And this is the finished result. And that's pretty much how it's done. So imagine what your sound could really become with this sound design and with these techniques. For a full deep dive in masterclass in sound design, be sure to check out the link in the description for the full modular course. Keep sound designing, and I will see you in the next live stream. Peace.